Welcome back to our unit circle lesson, generating the unit circle. In our previous video, we did the angles in both degrees and radians. And in this video, we're going to look at generating the ordered pairs all the way around the unit circle. Let's get started. We're going to start at 0 degrees, and that point is going to be 1, 0. The radius of the unit circle is 1. So as an ordered pair, as an x comma y, since it's on the x-axis, that's going to be 1, 0. And then we're going to go counterclockwise. Up at 90 degrees, that's going to be the ordered pair 0, 1. At pi, that's going to be -1, 0. And then at 270, that's going to be 0, -1. And that gets all of our axis ordered pairs. And I don't like the way that looks. There we go. 1, 0. That's not much better. Anyway, those are all of your axis ordered pairs. Again, because the radius of the unit circle is 1. And if you go from the origin to the left, you get a -x. If you go down, you get a -y. Okay? And then from there, we're going to blow this thing up, and we're going to focus on the first and the second quadrants. Okay? So all of the other ordered pairs are going to be half of something. So this is going to be half, half, and half, okay? That'll do the first. Let's do that one first, okay? The first quadrant. Now, if you simply know how to count from 0 to 4, you're going to be in good shape here, okay? We're going to start at 0 degrees, starting with the y coordinate at 0, and then you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? So this would be 4 over 2 as a fraction, and then you simply go back and square root those numerators. Square root and square root, okay? First step, count from 0 to 4, and then square root the numerators, okay? So what is the square root of 4? Well, that's 2 over 2, which is 1, which gives us our y coordinate there, okay? So I'm just showing you that this pattern works all the way around. And then we're going to go back and simplify any radicals that can simplify. Square root of 3 won't simplify. Square root of 2 won't simplify. Square root of 1 is 1. That'll simplify. And then to get the x coordinates, again, we're going to start at 90, where the x is 0, and we're going to count clockwise. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 4 over 2, and then you square root. Square root, square root, and square root. Don't forget to square root the tops. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 over 2 is 1. Again, just showing that that does give the 1 there. And then simplify any radicals that can be simplified. And the only one is the square root of 1. And then that generates your first quadrant. Again, all you have to know how to do is to count from 0 to 4, square root the tops, and then simplify any radical. Now that the first quadrant is done, the second quadrant is going to be a piece of cake. Okay, let me show you how freaking easy that is. This ordered pair maps here. Okay, these ordered pairs, each one of these ordered pairs in the first quadrant, they're going to map to their corresponding ordered pair in the second quadrant. Now, do I have an undo button? I really would like to get rid of that highlight. Oh, there we go. Bam. All right. So let's grab our black again. That was 1/2. So this is going to be 1/2 square root of 3 over 2. But since it's in the second quadrant, I know the x coordinate has to be negative. And then the next ordered pair, square root of 2 over 2, square root of 2 over 2. The x has to be negative. Did you see I took this ordered pair, mapped it to here. Got that? And then if I can erase that. Okay. Still learning with my tool. And last but not least, we're going to have negative square root of 3 over 2, 1/2, mapping the first ordered pair over. So far, so good. Now, we can get the bottom half, the third and the fourth quadrants, by mapping up and down. Okay? So the ordered pair at 150 is going to correspond to the ordered pair at 210. Negative square root of 3 over 2, negative 1/2. Since we're in the third quadrant, both x and y are negative. And then at 5 pi over 4, negative square root of 2 over 2, negative square root of 2 over 2. That corresponds with the ordered pair at 3 pi over 4. And then the ordered pair at 2 pi over 3 is going to correspond to the ordered pair at 4 pi over 3. Negative 1/2, negative square root of 3 over 2. And then once you've got your third quadrant, you just map those over to the fourth quadrant, okay? So then this is going to be square root of 3 over 2, negative 1/2. Again, in the fourth quadrant, your x is positive, your y is negative. Square root of 2 over 2, negative square root of 2 over 2. And 1/2, negative square root of 3 over 2. And that's how you generate the ordered pairs in your unit circle all the way around. Man, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.